Hi. My name's Guy. I don't know what I'm going to do today, but alright, I don't know. Maybe I'll sing Mock Stars, like Jim Carrey's. Wow, damn it, it's good. 808. Oh yeah. Who's that? Go away. Because you're pooey. Sister. My name is Bruce Wayne, but girl, you can call me Batman. My name is Bruce Wayne, but girl, you can call me Batman. Protector of the universe, kicked out twice now, back in a fight. Open City. Yeah, call me. My name is Bruce Wayne, but girl, you can call me Batman. My name is Bruce Wayne, but girl, you can call me Batman. What? No, you are. Yo, I'm in the city. Twice, back in the fight. 'Cause I'm in the city. Twice now, back. I'm in the city. Yeah. Go. Alright, I'm gonna do something. One, two, three, four. Yeah. Savior, I wanna do Maria. I wanna Savior, gonna Savior. Ready for you. And girl, you and I, we're about to make some memories tonight. I wanna live for you. I wanna live for you. Let's go crazy. Ready for you. are we young? Thanks for watching my awesome remix. Ooh. Yeah, so if you wanna do anything, just click anywhere, tap in remix by Karbensky. Wow, remix. Anything is remix. Remix. Just type in remix. Remix by Karbensky. And thanks for watching my video. So, booyah!